Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can get this Azure AI Fundamentals Professional Microsoft certification for free of cost. So to get this certification, first you need to take one exam, which is Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals exam. So once you click on it, you'll be going on to this page, Exam AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals exam. So if you complete this exam, you can get this Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamental certification for free of cost. So I'll tell you how you can get this exam for free. So the original price of this exam is given as 99 US dollars, but you can get this exam for free. I'll tell you how you can get this exam for free. So after completing this exam, you can get this Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification for free of cost. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let's see how you can get this Azure AI Fundamental certification for free by taking this exam for free. Actually, there is an exam. If you complete this exam, you can get this certification. So that is the process. The only thing which you have to cover is exam cost. You are going to get this exam for free now. I'll tell you how. So Microsoft is conducting a virtual training day event called AI Fundamentals. So this training event will be conducted on August 25, 2021 from 9:30 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. CEST, that is Central European Some Timing. So if you want to convert this timing to your local time zone, just Google it. You will see the local time for yourself. So as far as India is concerned, 9:30 a.m. in CEST is around 1 p.m. I guess. That is 1 in the afternoon. So you can attend this program. If you attend it, you will get Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification exam at no cost. That is what they have given here. See here. After completing this free training, you will be eligible to take the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification exam at no cost, which means you can get this exam for free of cost. And after completing this exam, you can get this Azure AI Fundamental Certification for free. So let's see what you'll be learning in this training event, this AI Fundamentals Virtual Training Day. So you will get an overview of basic AI concepts and applications, that is artificial intelligence concepts and applications, and you will learn to create no-code predictive models with Azure Machine Learning, and you will learn more about conversational artificial intelligence, natural language processing, which is known as NLP, and computer vision in Microsoft Azure. So all these things will be taught to you in this one-day virtual training event. And here is the system. Here is how it works. So once you register, you will get the mail, everything. So this is how it is going to work. First, you'll get an introduction, and then there will be an introduction to specifically to artificial intelligence, and then you'll learn about machine learning, and there will be 10 minutes break, and after that you'll get to know about computer vision, and again a 10 minutes break, and then natural language processing topic will be covered, conversational AI will be covered, and then finally you also have a Q&A session. So if you have any doubt, you can clear that in that Q&A session. So this is how this virtual training day is going to be working. So just register for it. Just get a coupon from Microsoft for taking this AI 900 exam for free of cost. After completing this training event, they will give you something, a voucher or coupon, something like that. You can use that and get this $99 exam for free of cost. You do not have to pay for this exam. So if you complete this exam, if you pass this exam, you can get this Azure AI Fundamental Certification, which is a professional certification from Microsoft for free of cost. And if you want to prepare for this exam, they have given here some materials. You can use that as well. So two ways to prepare online free instructor led. So it's not possible now. You can look out the free online materials available for you. Get started with artificial intelligence, use virtual tools to create machine learning. So all these are a learning path which is available for you. You can just click on it and learn all these topics related to artificial intelligence. So attend the training event and get a voucher for taking this exam for free of cost, and then you can make use of these materials given here and prepare for the exam and complete the exam successfully and get this Azure AI Fundamental certification for free of cost. So this is the whole concept. Before we see how to register for this training day, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. and make sure you join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook so that you will get an instant notification about all our videos, so you will not miss anything. And just visit answersq.com website. Apart from free online courses, you can also get to know more about job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you just scroll down in the categories, you can see a lot of things here: Accenture free courses, jobs, AutoCAD, Autodesk, Coursera. So a lot of things will be given in category section. Just go through it. Just select any topic that you want and learn it. I just want to tell you about Coursera platform before we see the registration process. So Coursera is one of the best e-learning platforms. You can get courses across different subjects like data science, business, computer science, IT, language. You can learn whatever you want in Coursera platform. And the best thing about Coursera is all their courses are offered by top companies like Google, Amazon, IBM, and top companies like Duke University. Sorry, top universities like Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris, which is one of the best known business school, John Hopkins University. So if you want to learn anything, try Coursera platform. You can choose their monthly plan. With that, you can learn whatever you want in that 1 month. You can earn unlimited certificates as well. I'll just show you the comparison. Here it is. So if you take any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the Coursera monthly plan offer, you just have to pay 4,315. With that, you will get access to entire Coursera platform. You can access 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certification program. So you are going to get entire access. I mean, you are going to get a complete access to the platform, and you can earn unlimited certificates as well in that 1 month. For example, if you complete 100 courses in that 1 month, you can get 100 certificates. There is no restriction to the number of course or the number of certificates that you can get in that 1 month. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills with the courses in Coursera platform. That's something I love about Coursera. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs are available in Coursera platform, which are offered by companies like Google, Facebook, IBM. So you will get access to those professional certification programs as well. And I just want to say this: Coursera certificate is valid all over the world because the courses in Coursera are offered by well-known companies and universities. So that's good value. Make use of it. If you want to learn anything, try Coursera platform. I'm sure you will like the platform. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link, which I have given in description, and take this Coursera monthly plan offer, and you can develop your skills and get unlimited certificates as well. So I hope you'll find this useful. Now I'll just tell you how you can register for this Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day, AI Fundamentals. So here on the right side, you can see a registration form. Just give your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, job role. If you're a student, just type in student, and company name, just type in your college name, and choose your country, company size. And again, if you're a student, you can just choose the option 1 and verify that you are not a robot and click on this register now button. Once you do that, you can see that the registration has been completed. I'm not doing it because there will be only a limited number of seats for this training event. So apply as early possible. If I register, it's like I'm taking someone's place, so I'm not going to register. I have said you the process. Just fill in the details, click on the register now button, and you'll be seeing the thank you page, and you will get a mail from Microsoft, and that everything will be clearly explained. And after the training event, once you complete the training event, you will get a voucher to take this Microsoft AI 900 exam for free of cost. And if you complete the exam, you can get this Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals Professional Certification for free of cost. See that? This is the exam you are going to take. The original cost of this program is $99, but you can get it for free. Complete the exam and get this certification. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.